The Image widget allows you to add an image to your composition. Shocking, I know. It's one of the simplest widgets to use in Singular, and it's one of the most commonly used. Let's take a look at how it works inside Composer. For most widgets, you add them by clicking Add, then Widget to access the widget library. But because the Image widget is one of Singular's most commonly used widgets, we've added a shortcut for it in the Composition Tree toolbar. Once you've added the widget, click on the Image tab in the Property panel. This is where you can adjust the properties of the Image widget. Now, all the widget needs is the URL of the image you want to use. Let's copy and paste the URL of a photo from Google Images. And voila, you have an image in your composition. If the image you want to use isn't already hosted on a website, maybe it's a file on your computer, fear not, Singular can handle that as well. Just click on that little square next to the URL input box to bring up the dashboard. From here, you can either select an image already within your dashboard, or import a new asset by either dragging and dropping the image into your desired folder, or clicking New, then Upload. This will import the image onto Singular's cloud servers and generate a URL that automatically populates the widget field. Because Singular is all HTML based, any image that displays on a web page will work. So that includes the usual suspects like JPEG, GIF, SVG, and PNGs, even those with transparency. So there you have it, you now have an image within your composition. If you want to retain the image's native proportions, keep it on the Contain option in the Object Fit settings. If you're looking to resize the image to fit your bounding box differently, try using the Cover and Fill options and see what looks best to you. You will also notice options to nudge the position of the image to the right or left, and to flip it across the X and Y axes. One last tip. In many cases with images in your overlays, you'll want to be able to adjust which image is showing based on the content of the overlay. For example, if you're showing the team logo of an overlay displaying the team stats, you want to be able to change that logo depending on which team stats are showing. In these cases, rather than selecting an image in Composer, which will make that image always appear, add a control node to the image property so images can be selected and changed by a control application. Check out our video on creating control nodes for more details on that process, and visit our YouTube channel, Singular Support Portal, or Singular Community Slack channel for more help with Singular.